Alright guys, welcome to my Hanche and Levi cosplay photoshoot day vlog. I started the day off with a good strong cup of coffee while I put on my makeup. And Donna, who is cosplaying as Hanchi, arrived the day before because she had quite a long journey to get to my house. So we just had a very cozy evening the night before with catching up and talking about the photoshoot. So with us on the photoshoot today is my sister Zoe and my good friend Anna, who I've been cosplaying with for like 10 years. She is in a lot of my pictures on my Instagram. She is a Clumsy Kitty Cosplay and she's there for like moral support and filming some stuff for this vlog and taking some pictures and just overall being good company. I have done a makeup test a couple of days before to make sure that I could achieve the look that I wanted, and for anyone who's going on a cosplay photo shoot or just a convention in general, I highly recommend making a makeup test beforehand because you might find some things you want to adjust on the day when you are using the makeup for the cosplay. I haven't done a ton of male makeup. I have done a couple of male cosplays before, but those were very like sweet and cute looking. But I found a great tutorial for Levi's makeup, which I will be linking in the description in case you're interested in using the same tutorial as I was. Almost since I started cosplaying, people have suggested that I should cosplay Levi because we are the same height and I might have some like facial similarities. So I also had an idea I would make a good Levi cosplay, but I always said no because before, like back in the day when there was only season 1 and season 2, perhaps the fandom for Levi was so, how to put it in a nice way, extreme. So I was actually a little bit scared of cosplaying Levi. But I don't know, I feel like maybe the fandom has calmed down a little bit.
I dag kan bare kalde
Sexy!
shotgun, men vil du gerne have den?
Okay, so back to the story on how I ended up cosplaying Levi. So my good friend Donna made a great Hanchi cosplay, and she's very new to cosplay, and she asked me, won't you make a Levi cosplay? Because we both agree that Hanchi and Levi is the best bromance ever. And since she's pretty new to cosplay, I really wanted to share her excitement for the fandom and for Attack on Titan. So in the end, she convinced me to cosplay with her. Dance for me, dance! Oh, too sexy, too sexy! No, 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 cancelled! Oh. First reaction. Let's go! Okay, so I have a little sweet story about this location that we are filming at, because it was the first place where Anna and I did our first proper cosplay photo shoot for Cruel and Mega from Seraphs of the End. And this is the first time Donna also gets to shoot at a proper location and not just at home. I just think it's really cute that we share the first cosplay photo shoot location. Snacks! Okay, so the first thing we did when we arrived at the location is to just take a look around and look for good photo locations. And then my sister Zoe had to adjust the camera, and so the first 10 minutes was mostly just walking around and trying out some stuff and not really taking any serious pictures.
tror, det er sådan, at
Mannequin-agtigt. Vældig.
okay.
Det viser sgu da noget. Okay, så skal vi nok
Det er noget, der er fint. Det var lige til landet i Rostock.
Guess what, bitch? What? Tell me about it.
Okay, så historien er igen, Levi prøver bare at have et stille øjeblik for sig selv.
Ja.
I see you.
See you. Yoo-hoo. Levi, han fint sammen.
De ved det ikke, så indkaldser det lige kort til coachen.
Miau. Miau.
Miau.
Miau. Miau.
Hvad er det, der foto?
That's.
Kan du lade sådan med flødeskum i, så lige en tak?
Der var faktisk en til det der tyske konditor til sidste år. Så lavede hun bare en kage eller kaffe, eller hvad hun havde lyst til. Med virkelig fint. Hun var fra Japan, ikke? Sådan flødeskumskunst, eller hvad man kalder det. Så kunne du bede om en eller anden random anime-karakter.
Serving you.
Jeg tror det.
Det er min.
Kunne du lave sådan den der venstre
Det kan
flip?
ikke forstå det. Nå, så det var det sådan.
Caught you in your most beautiful moment.
Wow.
Say something, hun.
I'm chewing.
Hello. We had so much fun filming this cosplay showcase or CMV. And if you're interested in how the video turned out, I will link it in the description, or you can click in the right left corner. We were out filming and taking pictures for about 3 hours, and that's why you saw a lot of clips of us having breaks and drinking coffee and having snacks, because it's very important when you're out for so long that you remember to also have fun with taking the pictures. Okay, so we just came back from the photo shoot and I just took a shower so my eyebrows could be normal again and not being glued to my face. Yeah, we were so lucky with the weather today. Almost no sun and no rain, so it was perfect. And we got so many pictures and filmed a lot, so I'm very pleased with that. But now I'm tired and I'm gonna go downstairs and have a nice relaxing evening with my friends. Thank you guys for watching until then, and hope to see you in the next video. And stay tuned for the pictures. Again guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of content, because I really enjoyed filming it, so I plan to make more vlogs in the future. And I also plan to make a whole video about cosplay photography, about going to location, posing, and everything you need to look out for. So if you're interested in that, depending on when you're watching this video, it might be out or it might come out later. But to make sure you don't miss that video, you can perhaps subscribe. And if you like this video, don't be shy to give it a like. That would help me out so much. And I really hope to see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye!